Hey, what's up, guys? There's a video. Gonna clean up the old J16, get it up and going again. It's been sitting for a little while, as you can tell. Look at all the mildew. It's freaking terrible. Got to clean this thing all up. I got a Minn Kota iPilot trolling motor. Costs more than the boat. We're gonna install. So yeah. Gonna redo the audio, put a new radio in it, speakers. Look at these things. Kenwoods. That's what that Florida sun does to you. Get the tank cleaned up, redo the wiring. All right, follow along in this build or refurbish. Take it easy.